you, baby. Oh my God.
We're gonna need a cage car.
No, please don't put me in a cage car. No, please.
Just stop. All right, you need to settle down.
I know you have a family too. Just don't
settle
do
down.
it to me.
All right.
I have kids. I have beautiful kids.
Get off here.
Please leave me alone. Why are all these men on me and nobody's trying to help me? I'm sorry this is happening to you, baby.
On April 17th, 2023, Orlando police responded to a disturbance call at Gate 24 of Orlando International Airport. 4 criminal charges followed.
No, get off of me! Get down on the ground.
This analysis examines the legal soundness of each charge and the force applied.
Don't touch me.
We're not touching him, ma'am.
Leave me alone.
What's going on?
No.
Hey, I spoke with your husband earlier. I was the one to speak.
I spoke with him already.
I know, so are you on the phone with him?
Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
Are you... Can we talk? Ma'am, don't, please.
Leave me alone. Do not
Bitch,
come
don't
near
touch
me.
that.
Leave me alone.
Okay.
No, I am not stopping. You will back the
later.
fuck away from me.
You need to settle down and so we can talk.
I'm sorry, baby. No. I am getting away from the people.
Over there.
I'm sorry, baby.
Over there.
No, leave me
Okay,
alone.
ready? Okay.
Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Yeah.
No.
So,
Do not touch me. Do not come near me.
excuse us.
Do not come near me.
Excuse us. Excuse us. Oh, sorry.
Do not come near me. Do not
Ma'am.
come near me.
All right, you need to
My
settle
hands
down.
are up.
You need
Don't
to settle.
touch me.
You need to settle down.
Don't touch me.
You need to settle
No,
down.
I will not settle
All right.
down.
Yes.
You will back
Yes,
up.
you will.
You will back up.
She's got a pen in her
No,
hand.
get off of me. Get off.
Get down on the ground.
Get off.
Down the pen. Get down the pen.
Get off of me.
Settle down.
Ah! Woo! Get the no! Get off of me! Get off! Get off! Get off! No!
Stop biting me.
Stop! No! Get off of me! Oh! No, please! Please stop it! Please stop
Roll onto your stomach.
it! No! Get off of me! Get off of me! Oh! Get
Roll over. You're making it hard on yourself.
off
Back it.
me! Get the off of me!
If your body gets taste.
Get off! No!
Son, you want to
No!
roll? We got to pick the time. Come on.
Stop! Get off of me!
Stop it.
No! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Get off of me! Now! Right now! Why did you let them do this to you, baby? Get off! No! Please get off! Wow. Oh my God.
We're gonna need a cage car.
No, please don't put me in a cage car. Please get off of me. Get off of me now. No.
Stop.
No,
Just
please.
stop. All right, you need to settle down.
I know you have
need
a
to sit down.
family too. Just don't
settle
do
down.
it to me.
All right.
I have kids. I have beautiful kids.
Get off here.
Please leave me alone.
Just
Please
settle
leave
down
me
and
alone.
we'll get everything
Please
go
leave
for
me
you.
alone.
All right. We're going to...
lady, we're gonna sit you up.
Please don't call me little lady.
Okay.
Okay, well, you help us with your legs, okay?
Is this your shoe over here too?
All right, sit down in the
Sit in
wheelchair.
the chair.
I don't wish to sit in
We want you to sit
We'd
down.
like you to sit down, please.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Please, please.
Come on, sit down. Sit down.
Please sit down. Please just sit down. You want to get her feet up down?
No, don't touch me.
We're not touching
Please,
her.
do you have a family?
We're just getting the lift stuff. You can put
No,
your
no,
feet down
no,
if you
no,
want.
no. Don't let them take me, please.
Come on.
Please,
Come on, we can take
no, please don't let me. Why are all these men on me and nobody's trying to help me?
Ma'am, just put your feet here.
No, you're not.
Just put your feet up
This
here,
is
ma'am.
really. Oh,
Is there other sneakers?
I already. Don't touch me, please. Stop it. Why were you? Please don't let them take me.
You got it. Does she have any other family members here?
Just hold on to her. Hold on to her.
Got it. There's some backstory.
No, get off of me.
We got the back.
There is a
Herbie.
backstory.
Herbie, you hang on to her. I got the back.
Why are you recording me?
23, I guess. Just go left.
Please.
Just go left.
No.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. This is happening to you, baby.
Excuse us.
Come on, sit down.
No.
24.
No.
Can you make some room?
No. Get off of me.
If she gets off, we're just gonna agree.
No, you can do it now. Yes.
Okay. I don't want.
Right now.
Let's walk out.
I am not walking.
Come on, man, relax.
I'm sorry, baby. This is happening to you.
We're going this way, folks. Excuse us. Ma'am, stop, please. Coming through here.
Help me, please.
Thank you.
No. Please.
Come on now, you're welcome.
Please don't take me
Coming through
away. No. Oh.
Stop kicking.
No, please.
Come on, man.
No.
Come on, come on.
No. Out. Help me. Help.
Good. Come on, man.
No. I will not.
Come on,
Come on, we're almost there.
Come on, man. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, we gotta go.
No. Why have you only been doing this?
Yes.
The strongest charge is battery on a law enforcement officer. Florida Statute Section 784.07, a third-degree felony carrying up to 5 years imprisonment. The subject bit, an officer during the restraint sequence. That act is legally unambiguous. The two resisting charges, Sections 843.01 and 843.02, rest on whether the initial detention was lawful. A report of a person screaming and acting erratically in a public airport provides reasonable, articulable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio, decided by the Supreme Court in 1968. The detention was lawful. Physical resistance to that detention supports both resisting charges. The disorderly conduct charge is the weakest. Florida Statute Section 877.03 requires fighting or behavior that outrages public decency. The Supreme Court, in City of Houston v. Hill, decided in 1987, established that verbal conduct, including profanity, directed at officers is protected by the First Amendment. If this charge rests on verbal conduct alone, it carries serious constitutional exposure. The Supreme Court in Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989, established that force must be judged by objective reasonableness from the officer's on-scene perspective. 3 factors apply: the severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether active resistance was occurring. All 3 were present in this encounter. Officers used no strikes, no impact weapons, no conducted energy device, only body weight control in a confined terminal with bystanders present. That falls within acceptable parameters. The central institutional question is Florida Statute Section 394.463, the Baker Act. When an individual's behavior suggests mental illness, creating danger to themselves or others, law enforcement may initiate a civil involuntary examination rather than criminal arrest. The behavioral indicators present paranoid statements and sustained disconnection from verbal engagement, warranted serious Baker Act consideration. Whether that pathway was adequately evaluated is a policy question this footage does not answer.
Can you check my neck over here?
Please don't.
No. That's...
No. No.
Is it
You
broken?
got a bite mark. No, it's not broken. It's swollen.
We're gonna be to your left.
Then bite mark.
Was that a bite?
Yeah, she bit me on the neck.
Sit her down.
No. Do not.
We have to do this. All right. Bring her out.
So they got it.
I'm breaking my back.
Nobody's breaking anything.
Help me.
Grab her arms. You guys ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Up she goes. Then get her.
Ow! Ow, my arms! Please put me down. I will walk now.
Okay. said. You said you
Telecom
walk.
Oscar 992, 4 hour
I
unit
held
check.
you up now, and now you're gonna walk with us.
Get off of me.
Grab her leg. Grab her leg.
I'll talk to you when we get down there, okay? All right, ma'am. I'll talk to you when we get down there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put her on the stretch.
Why are you letting them do this?
All right, here, back in.
A full cocktail. Yep. AMR still coming?
No! Do not give me any drugs. I don't use any drugs.
If you're gonna sedate her, can we get a stretcher up here then?
No! No, I don't use any
They're right
drugs.
here and they're ready to do
They're trying to
Have them bring
sedate
the
me.
stretcher up.
We're gonna put soft restraints on you, okay? We're gonna put soft cuffs on you.
Can we do soft restraint on her?
I know.
And then one cuff to the gurney. And make sure you get clearance on that.
Yes, will do,
Hey, just
sir.
come pick me up at the truck.
Thank you.
All right.
No, please don't take me in there. Please, please take me. Take me to the doctor. All right. I put my arm inside of this. Have you just keep it right out there, okay?
I'll be,
We put a non-intubated cap mill on the back of the stretcher.
Okay.
I'm gonna be in there with you. Hold on.
We're gonna put you in this seat.
Okay.
That way you're out of sight, and it may keep things from getting. She's pretty understandable. She's
I'll
pretty
just sit there. I'm just gonna be fine.
Yep.
All right. Appreciate it, guys.
The suspect Sherry was charged with disorderly conduct, battery on law enforcement officer, resisting without violence, and resisting with violence. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Officers receive a B. Physical restraint was proportionate, EMS coordination was prompt, and no excessive force was applied. However, the pre-physical de-escalation window was brief for an encounter presenting clear mental health indicators. The subject receives a C+. The battery charge is indefensible. Verbal conduct was constitutionally protected, but physical resistance to a lawful detention, particularly biting an officer, created serious criminal exposure that compliance would have entirely avoided. Orlando Police Department receives a B-. Officers performed within their training. The institutional gap is the absence of a clear protocol for routing mental health encounters through civil intervention channels before defaulting to criminal arrest. 3 takeaways from this encounter. First, the Baker Act exists precisely for situations like this. Departments need explicit decision frameworks, requiring officers to assess civil mental health pathways before initiating criminal arrest when behavioral indicators are present. Second, physical resistance to a lawful detention creates criminal liability, regardless of the underlying cause. The legal remedy for an unlawful detention is the courthouse, not the confrontation. Third, an improvised object, even a pen, constitutes a recognized tactical threat that legitimately elevates an officer's use of force calculus under Graham versus Connor. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.